In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a motorcycle phone mount, or technically a bicycle phone mount. And this is from the company Vovimanex. Maybe is how you would say that. And it just came in this little box right here. You know what? I did open it up and check it all out and see what it was. And this is all you get with it here. So you get the actual kind of clamp itself. You can see it's on one of these ball clamps that is adjustable like that. And then inside of here is a little set of instructions, and you could see the different types that they recommend it for. And I really like these that have this kind of like clamping style, because from what I've seen in my experience, you know, as a bike rider, you stick this thing in here like this, or actually what you want to do is take this off, and then that pops in there. It feels like it's all made out of polycarbonate, a strong type of ABS plastic. You can see the brand names in there, and there's a little grippy surface right there, and it can stretch. It's locked. There's a lock mechanism right there. Look how wide this thing goes. So you can fit either a Pro or a Plus iPhone or Samsung Note or something really large in there. That is a big opening right there. It doesn't open that way, but it does open this way right here, which I think will accommodate about every phone out there. This loosens up, and this will tighten down on the handlebars. I'll show you there in the video on how it's tightening down on the handlebars. Holds it nice and tight, and then the phone just mounts right in there easily. I'll show you my phone. This is the iPhone 13 Pro. It mounts in there, and there's little grips up in here. So I don't know if you can see in the camera, that is rubberized up in there. So it's got these rubber grips in there that kind of helps with shock. And then once it's tightened down, check it out. You just close that up. That ain't going anywhere. So once this is locked on, and that has rubber on the inside right there for mounting on the handlebars, and that's locked into place. Okay, so here I am, I'm out by my bike. Let's try this on here. Watch how easy this mounts on the bike. There's two ways you can mount it. You can mount it on the stem right there, or you could go right here. This is where I like running mine, especially on bikes like this. Look at that, everybody. And then you tighten that down, then look at, that is not moving. That is awesome. Let's try the phone in there. Put that in there like that. Lock it down. The lock switches right there. Look at that. That's solid. Yeah, that would work on a motorcycle. I think I could jump things with this thing. It just tightens down right there, and that is not moving. Screw that down, and there's your lock, and when I want to take it out, there you go. I get where I want to go. I just pull that off. Locks back into place. That is a really good, I'm going to be using this on my bikes, that's for sure. Then it also, what's cool is if I want to do it more like a display, I can turn it on its side and then lock it like that. And now it's like a display, and you can run a speedometer, so I could have my speedometer on there too. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the motorcycle phone mount. See you on the next video.